Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Being Creative by Kanav. So as you know by this video's title that today I am going to teach you how to make an translator app. So open Thunkable.com, click on create new app, name your project. I am giving the name as translator. You can give any name, it's on you. Translator. Then choose this category. It's optional. If you want you can, but if you don't want then it's on you. Then everyone can access your project here. Do you want your project to be public? No, I don't want. So if you want your project to be public you can do it. Then click on create. Now the working screen would be visible. It would take you to the working screen. So for making an app, as I tell you that the most important thing is designing it. So first we'll design it. So this app's designing is very easy. So first we have to take a text input. I'll tell you why we are taking this text input. Like as we are making a translator app, so users need a space to type the text which is to be translated. So that's why we are giving this space for the users to type the text which is to be translated. If you want to give any hint, you can. Text, no need because users will type the text. Keyboard type, it's okay, default. Because email address we don't want, numeric phone pad, that all we don't want. We need default. All things users can type. Then height. Height, do it absolute size and do the height as 60. And width also absolute size because users need more space to type in as maybe they type big text. So or long text. So width give it to width you can give it like 250. Yeah, that would be right. 250 around. Then next thing which we want is an button. Button below text input. So when users will click in this button, then the translated text would be visible. Okay, so we have also give ID to the text input 1. This is okay. Then ID of button you have to give. So I am giving translate button. It's up to you what you want to give. Given, done, all done. Okay, so now write text in this button, translate, so that users get to know that they have to click on this button to translate their text. Okay, then text color. Okay, you can choose any text color. I prefer to choose yellow. And then font size you can make little bit, like I'm making it 20. And then background color I'm making red, and you can up to it's what you want. And then like background picture resize, just all we want to. Now like it's up to you that do you want radius or not. I don't want, that's why I'm removing it. And then I want a border of 2 or 3 will be okay, so that it looks stylish. And border color I want like orange, so it looks good. And then style solid. Okay, so font bold, I want my buttons font to be bold, so it's done. These all features you can do it. And then the thing which you next component which we want is a label. Place this label below the translate button. So now like the users have typed the text which they want to translate, and they have clicked on the translate button. So now where the translated text would be visible? In this label it would be visible. Okay. So give a ID for this label. I am giving translate label. Again, it's up to you. Given. Then write text. We don't want any text in this label because the text which user will type and the translate text would come in this label. So I don't want any text. And then font size would 18 be right. Then we want its height and width. Absolute size, give it as 60 and 250 because maybe users type big text, so they need, so translated text also needs space, and same for width. Do absolute size and write the width as 250 and then okay. So now our designing is almost done. Now we need an invisible component, translator. This is an invisible component. Yeah, see, it came in the invisible component. So this will help you to translate, like it's at source language English. So like in my app, I want the text which user types to be English and the text which user wants to be like the translated language I want to be French. So I am choose French. Okay. So now our designing is done, but it looks little shabby and not more colorful. So we will give a color for our label so that the translated text label is good, text is good, and like okay, so we have given it, and then background color for the screen so that it looks more beautiful, right? So it's done, and now for the vertical alignment of the screen we want space around so that all the things are spaced around. And then we need the last component, one more label which will be the above of all the components, in which we like Translator App so that it looks more good. You can give the name of your app which you have chosen. Okay, so then font size 20, 30. Yeah, now it looks good. And then color. What about blue and purple? It looks good. So now we are done finally with our design. Now let's come to the blocks, our coding, innermost part of the app. Okay, so first block which we want is when translate button click. So like we are writing a code for this button. For when the users click this button, then what should happen? So we are writing code for this. Okay. So then go to translator, call translator translate. So now we are writing code for translate. So now from where the translator would choose the text to translate. So for that we want the text which is which the users will type in this text input box. So for that go to text input and we have to take text inputs text here. So that's why we are taking text inputs text button. So by this the computer would get a command that he has to translate the text which is there in this text input. Okay, so now when translation is done, so now set text to label. So now So now, now go to translate label and set text to. So what shall added to translate label? So now we are doing the coding for this label, like how the translated text would come in this label. Okay, so like result, here you drag result. So the whichever result comes, the text should be visible in the translate label. So like this, our coding is done. Let's have a preview that whether our app has been made or not. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, so I want hi to be translated in French. Salut. So it translated my text to French. Like I want, how are you? And then click on translate. It translated. Wow! What a fantastic app, right? So, I hope you liked my video, and for more coding videos and interesting videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.